it's Melissa here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing some hacks, and it's not just any hacks. I'm going to be trying 5 minutes craft hacks. So for today's video, I'm going to do trying 5 minutes craft scarf, or you can say dupatta hacks. So in today's video, I'm going to be seeing these videos and trying them out and seeing if they actually work or if they don't work. So I have few videos and I will see if any of them work, or like you can wear them outside or if you cannot wear. And if you're interested to know if it actually works or if it doesn't work, or it looks good or it doesn't look good, then do watch this video till the end, and also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel in the start itself. So without wasting any time, let's go. Okay, so for this first hack which they show, I will be putting up a video anyway on the screen. So what she does is she ties both the ends. So like the first end she will tie and the second end. So she will put it like a shrug and make it like a shrug. So let's see if it actually works, and now I will try this out. Okay, so I have this dupatta because I think the scarf which they are using is very long and I don't have long scarves. So I'm going to make use of what I have, and I've seen people doing with dupattas also, so why not? So what she does is, I hope I'm doing it correctly. Okay, so what she does is she ties both the sides. Okay, so the first side. Now let me tie the second side. Okay, so I tied both the sides like this. And now what she does, okay, tell me, okay, I have people in my house who are going to tell me, does this look good or not? I don't like this tying thing. How it looks. Okay, tell me, how does it look? How does it look? I'm asking my sister. How does it look? Doesn't look good. How does it look? Okay, so I would wear it if this would be done nicely, not like a ball which I've done over here at both the sides. But you let me know what do you all think about this. I mean, it's fine. And I think, yeah, that was about this first hack. You guys let me know how it is. You know, this would be useful in like extreme like a scenario where you really have to wear a shrug or you cannot wear anything. Like, what can you wear inside this? Like a tank top or something which is open and you don't like. Oh no, which is like sleeveless, or like a tube top or anything, or a dress. Not this color, I mean like matching, which coordinates with the.
Even this black and blue look nice.
Yeah, you can wear like that if you want to go. You know, this would look good when not during the daytime, but if you're going for a dinner or something, you wouldn't wear like this. I mean, I'm just saying you have. That do not sit much. So yeah, this is the first hack. You guys let me know what do you all think about it. Now moving on to the next hack. Okay, so for this second hack, I have hopes for this hack because when I was screen recording it, I had already seen it. So what she does is, I'll be putting up the video on the screen. So what she does is she takes the scarf, dupatta, whatever you want to take, and then she wraps it around her waist. So she takes the down part after putting it in the sides, and she takes it down and she puts it for her one shoulder, making a one shoulder top, and then she ties it from back. So I have hopes for this one. I think this might turn out good. So let me try it and then I will tell you my honest opinions if this works or doesn't work. You guys, I'm back. I got my dupatta or whatever you want to call it. So now, so what she does is she takes it, makes it into two, and then ties it around her waist. And I think if this works, you know, you can do it like a nice sitting choreography. You could have done this with, like, if I would know about this, I would have done it in my sitting choreographies, which I used to do last year. I think last year in 2020, it was a thing where sitting choreographies, dance choreographies was such a big thing. I know I'm going off topic, but I'm just I wanted to talk about it, so I just said. Okay, so I tied it around my waist. It looks like a nice dress. What is this? This looks so funny. This looks like it looks like a lungi my younger sister is saying. Okay, so what she does is she takes like this and then she puts it like this. It should be done neatly so it will look good, I feel. Like this and then back. Okay, please tell me it looks good. And then she ties it. Okay, I'm gonna tie it. Okay, so after fixing and all, this, you guys let me know how do I look. Does this look good? I'll tell you what will look good. When she does the down thing, I think this will look good. What do you all think?
Now do it.
Now I feel this you can wear. Like the up thing you can wear, you can't wear. I wouldn't wear it.
On a skirt.
Yeah, means yeah, you can do that. That would look nice because not on a pant. It doesn't look like a nice skirt. It would look good, but not not this material. Like a little thicker material would be nice, and it would look good. So you guys can try this. Actually, this would some people would actually really look very very nice. Not like as funny as me, but like really good if you'll do it nicely. Even I've tried to do, but it depends, you know, what material you'll have, what are you using and all. I really like this one. Like I would try this, like if I would have a better material to try it on. So yeah, you guys let me know what do you all think about this hack. I think this is pretty cute, I could say. So yeah, now see you in the next hack. Okay, for this third hack, this is like she makes a dress kind of thing with this with the material she has. So what she does is she ties it on both the sides and then she puts it around her neck, and then from down she takes it and then she puts it around her waist, so it makes a dress. She overlaps in between over here and then she ties over here, so it makes like a dress. What do I think about this? I don't know why, but like they are trying the same as us, but it still looks good on them, like compared to what it looks good, like how it looks on us. I don't know what is the secret, but we'll try and see if we can be as close to them, or if it looks good, or you can try it as well. So now let's try it and see what's the reality. Okay, I think I said you have to tie both the sides in the start, but I think she tied only one, so my bad. So even I've tied only one. And what she does is she puts around her neck and then she overlaps it over here like this. And then she takes the lowest part. Okay, you guys, I was having a lot of trouble while roaming. I'll tell you guys something, okay? While I was getting the down part and I tied it, okay? These people don't show you all the back. Have you all seen them showing after everything is done, showing their back? Because you can't go out like this. What are you going to show? You're not going to wear a fan. What is this? What are they even trying to, like, you know, educate people with this?
It can be that kitchen ke liye
Apron, yeah, this can become a good apron if you all want. I would really suggest everyone to try an apron like this. Save your money, make your dupatta an apron, but you can't go out like this. Like, why would I scam people like this by telling them all these nonsense? Yeah, they are, sorry to say, but they are known for like this, all these weird things. But okay, I understand the top part back you want to show. But what is the down part doing?
How can you wear the dress?
How can you wear this as a dress? Or maybe I'm doing something wrong. You never know. But still, yeah, you can't wear that. This is not going to fit my bag also, yeah. What is this? Tell me. What do y'all think? Does this make sense? I'm just asking my sisters because they are telling me if it looks good or no. I would say just don't waste your time on this one. The previous one I got me very excited. Oh my god, the next one also can become nice and turn out good. But this one is the extreme fail. Don't try this. I know I'm trying this, so y'all cannot try. I mean, what am I doing? So yeah, moving on to the next hack. Okay, so for this last hack which we are going to try, so what she does is, I'll be putting up the video on the screen. So what she does is she takes a scarf or dupatta, whatever, and then she puts it into a round, like what is a earring, you can take, or your bangle or anything which looks nice. and then she puts it inside that, and then she wraps it around her whatever she wants to cover, and then she takes it back. So it looks, I mean, I'll tell you all what it is. I've seen people trying this, okay, and actually danced in this, okay. I'm not going to lie. I've seen people do it, and it looked very pretty. And like, you know, that will look good on only some people. I feel like, I don't know it. I might be wrong. You guys tell me what do you all think. Anyways, we are still left to try it before judging it. And now let's try the last hack. Okay, you guys, I brought my things over here. I brought this dupatta. I literally told my mom to remove whatever different colored dupatta she had, and she removed it for me. And then I took this. I don't know whose it is. It was just lying down, so I removed this.
What do you mean? Yeah,
Yeah, I mean,
on the
it's
road you
ass.
found it and you got
No,
over.
not on the road. I mean, it's not mine. Maybe probably my mom's. I think it's mine. Okay, sorry, it's mine then, guys. I don't remember my own stuff. Okay, so what she does is, let me make it equal. It's equal, right? And then she takes it like this. It's gonna probably make me look like a, what was I saying? Dog, no? Okay, so I put it like this. So what she does is, she covers the necessary part. I mean, necessary part. Okay, like this. And I don't know where she put this, tucked it back. My friend is come again. All my videos, there's some of the other noise, you know, in the end. Now,
This kinda looks nice.
you mean like this? It looks nice. You would try it? I
No.
think some people who actually are like, you know, very, they don't care like how it looks, like as far as they're getting their things covered. They would wear it. Honestly. Let me finish tying it. What do you guys
It
think?
looks nice, I don't know why. But I wouldn't wear it out.
You wouldn't wear it out, so means it just looks nice.
Hmm.
I mean, you should wear it if you think it's nice, and wear it. I'm saying the one
But I
who won't
wouldn't
wear
be
it.
comfortable with it.
What do you guys think? How does this look? Okay, Minoshka, what do you think?
7 or a 6.
7 or a 6? I did tell you to rate it. Okay, I think this one is. Does this look nice? This one, this part.
Yeah.
It looks fine, or should I keep it like this?
Yeah, keep it like that.
Yeah, I feel this is more like better. Okay, it doesn't look like that bad. I don't want to wear it without this, but I won't be comfortable with it. And I don't think, you know what I would do? You get those thick scarves, which you get those thick ones, you know, thick material. I would definitely try in those. You know, if I would get my hand on this, I would try it some other day. Means like off camera, and I would see if it wears. What are these? Okay, you guys, let me know about this. My sister said she liked it. What are your thoughts about it? Do you all like it? And let me just remove this and I'll come back. So yeah, guys, those were the hacks that I tried. You guys let me know, how did you guys like this? I really try my best to entertain you guys so that you all can get entertained, and just find my videos very chill and all. So yeah, guys, let me know if you guys really like this video, and I try to try different things. That's what I definitely love to do, and these are the things which I wanted to do before even wanted like filming a video. But my other goal is, I really want to try it out, so I add both the things and I make a video only itself on it. So yeah, let me know how you think about this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment below that you all like this video and which hack was nice out of all. Also, do subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications. Many of you guys watch my videos but do not subscribe. Please guys, it takes only 5 seconds. I don't even think it takes 5 seconds to it's like 2 seconds it takes to just go subscribe, and like more 2 seconds to turn on the post notifications as well. So please do it. It really means a lot. So yeah, see you next week. Bye.